Another sort of pre-built module you might want to import is math. So math gives you the ability to do stuff like rounding up. We know you can do floor division for rounding down, but you can actually do ceiling, which you can force numbers to round up. So if you do math.ceil is for ceiling, you can do at the same time you can do floor, which is round down. You can do factorials of numbers, which is what I showed you in that recursive algorithm, if you've seen that video. But there's a pre-built function that does factorials, square roots. So I'm just showing you a few here, but you get the idea. So lots of maths-based, instead of you programming all of it yourself, there is a lot of pre-built functions if they're things that are commonly people want to see. To the power, you can do 2 to the power of 8 looks, 256. You can see why I've picked that because of the binary. It even contains some constants like pi. All right, so you can reference pi if you want to. All right, now, there are loads more. I'm not going through everything. There's loads more in math, but basically if you get to a math-based problem, you might want to look at importing math and see what's in there that might help you with solving it before trying to solve it all yourself, because that's what they're there for. They're there to be used if they're going to help.